Ipsum Best Skin Cleansing Oil Balm. Apply a grape-sized amount of the product to a dry face and massage all over your face and neck. Use a warm, damp flannel to remove and repeat for a second cleanse in the evening if necessary, i.e. if you're wearing SPF or makeup. Votary Super Bright Eye Gel. Smooth a small amount of eye gel over the orbital bone and gently pat into the eye area. Medicate Hydrate B5 Intense. After cleansing in the morning or after applying a retinoid in the evening, you can massage 6 drops of this across the face, neck and décolleté. Allow to fully absorb before moving on to your moisturizer. MZ Skin The Light Moisturizer. Massage approximately 2 blueberry-sized amounts to your face, neck and décolleté after any treatment serum. Skin Rocks Retinoid 1 or Retinoid 2. Always use in the evening after cleansing on a lovely clean skin. Lightly massage a few pumps of the serum across the face. You can also take it around the eye area and allow it to fully absorb before you move on to any next step.